Ayush, my friend, how are you? How are you?
Very good. Lot of
See,
dopamine in my body.
sorry,
Lot of dopamine.
lot of dopamine, huh? All right,
Yeah.
bro. See, today, I think we have partially talked about these topics before, but we have not gone in
Uh,
depth, right? And
uh,
personally, I feel, and of course,
hmm,
about the topic, तुम लोग title पढ़ के ही आ रहे हो, ठीक है? So I don't want to repeat
hmm.
all that. But anyways,
Today is not the most interesting topic.
no, but
Okay.
personally, I feel
Okay.
this is the most
And to be fair, it is not something I really wanted to do.
हाँ,
But Sangeet is very interested in it. ठीक है. पहले पे
exactly.
बहुत क्या है
हाँ,
मैंने जब किया इंटरेस्ट भाई अभी पानी गिरने वाला था मेरा.
अच्छा. So basically, we're gonna talk about all the chemicals that are inside your body and how they function. How can you possibly hack them? And how can they bring influence your body completely? And there's going to be a very
Hmm,
important underlying debate
hmm,
around this topic. And I'll let you know about the topic, the main crux of the debate. It is, are the chemical that we're going to talk about so competent that we cannot, we can say कि हाँ मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, वो मेरे chemicals है जो मेरे को guide कर रहे हैं. Can we say that? Are they so
hmm.
influential? So that'll
That we'll
be,
see. That we'll see.
yeah, exactly.
So I think firstly, what we
Hmm.
need to really talk about, and which is some places people get confused is what is the difference between hormone and neurotransmitters. So
Right.
Sanket, if you can talk about that.
So basically, in our brain, there are synapses, right? Basically,
Hmm.
when two neurons they are connected through, and the gap between them is synapses and neurotransmitters, they flow through them. Basically, अगर if I
Hmm.
pinch Ayush, ठीक है, तो
Hmm.
message है that flows through the
Hmm.
neurotransmitters. Yeah, I think तुमने 10th grade bio में पढ़ाया होगा, ठीक है, if you're from CBSE.
मुझे नहीं याद.
हाँ, कि आयुष देखो तो 11th 12th का भी कुछ याद नहीं होगा, I'm pretty sure.
अभी मैं इधर आया हूँ
See,
पढ़ने
this
तो पढ़ के
this
आया.
this 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 podcast will be a
हूँ.
proof कि आयुष ने 11th 12th में कितनी गन बजाई है, ठीक है.
अरे यार 93% है क्या बोल रहा है.
अच्छा, ओए, तेरा बोर्ड सेंटर क्या था फिर?
हाँ.
तेरा बोर्ड का सेंटर क्या था जिसमें 93% आए?
Lanza beat obviously.
ठीक है. एनीवेज, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, हाँ, सो न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर ये हो गया. एंड जो हॉर्मोन्स है वो तुम्हारे एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड में बेसिकली फ्लो होते हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ हॉर्मोन्स. इनफैक्ट आई थिंक इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग देयर आर अराउंड 50 डिफरेंट हॉर्मोन्स इन अ बॉडी. बट अब हम सबके बारे में बात करेंगे तो पूरा दिन चला जाएगा.
अगर मैं थोड़ा टेक्निकल हो जाऊं
हाँ.
इसमें क्या बोल रहा हूँ that they are different. See, both of them are chemical messenger.
हम्म.
ठीक है. So एक होता है एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड से which is hormones और एक होता है nervous system which is the neurotransmitter. ठीक है. So the hormones are secreted from the endocrine system and released in the bloodstream, but they act on distant target cells. If you remember
हम्म.
your 10th grade.
हम्म.
ठीक है. Neurotransmitters are released from the synaptic nerve terminal in the
हम्म.
brain,
हम्म.
and they move across the synaptic left, a small space between two adjacent neurons, and
हम्म.
move to the next neuron.
हम्म.
They are there. They bind to specific receptors, causing changes in electric of target cells. So they work locally, and their actions are very very fast. So इसमें क्या बोल रहे हैं हार्मोन में जैसे डिफरेंट दूर से करते हैं.
हम्म.
Neurotransmitters on the other hand is very very fast. It's very very
Right,
quick.
right,
So
right,
hormone
absolutely.
takes some
So,
time.
and
But the
today,
similarity is one thing. That
हाँ
both
हाँ,
of them
sure,
are
sure,
influencing our motivations and behavior.
sure, yeah.
ठीक है. एक ही डिफरेंस है जो न्यूरो ट्रांसमीटर्स है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं बोलूँ कि मेरा मेरा वो है एक हार्मोन है which makes me angry
Hmm.
maybe. So that will be a long term thing.
Okay.
Neurotransmitter में क्या है? I see Sanket and I get attracted to him.
Hmm.
So I do certain things at that time.
Got it.
Okay, that is a neurotransmitter. I'm not attracted to Sanket, but that is the neurotransmitter. So if I have done it, I think I've explored properly. I think that
Right.
is the way.
Well, yeah, exactly, bro. And
Hmm.
see, as I said, there are around 50 different hormones, and neurotransmitter is probably a single chemical which flows through different synapses. So today we're going to talk about the major ones. Okay, I'm probably you guys have heard about these. Okay, first of all, dopamine. If you're watching YouTube, okay, if you watch YouTube around like at least 1 or 2 hours a day, I'm pretty sure you've heard this term, dopamine.
No, not
Are you
necessarily.
sure?
I can be watching Khudai.
Bro, Ayush, if you're the one who takes apparent dopamine detoxes, okay? Because of your phone, because of your phone thing, huh?
But
So you can't say that. You can't say that.
because I know the theory of it. That is, but now I'm not able to.
Acha, okay, that's a different topic, and I want to talk about that later. Okay, so dopamine, then serotonin, oxytocin, endorphins, adrenaline, and cortisol. These are basically several hormones, and the two major ones I use, testosterone and estrogen. I think we've talked about testosterone pehle, in our transgenders in Olympics wala, trans women in Olympics wala. We talked thoda sa uske bare mein, but I want to go way deep.
We talked quite a bit.
Exactly, till ठीक है, हाँ. So this is what we're going to talk about. सबसे पहले, let's clarify something.
First, let's start talking about love. Actually, love and the effect of neurotransmitters.
ठीक है.
So अगर तुम देखो, हम जब love बोलते हैं ना, हम love को क्या करते हैं? We in a way we put it to in a very normal, normal sense.
Casual happening.
We are in love.
Yeah.
But all those you should not complicate stuff. But love and attraction, as we have talked about previously also, there are layers in that also.
Right.
So love basically has 3 categories, which is lust. Okay, lust, mind you, lust you should not never ever you shouldn't neglect lust.
Because probably lust is the most primal thing in your body which is happening.
And I think, Sanket, lust in a way is neglected. Like, will you agree that people look down upon lust?
I think the language assigned to lust is very wrong, because lust, how do you translate lust in Hindi? Tharak. Exactly, but it is not that. It is just a bodily function. It is just a bodily function. And there are many other ways to define lust, which is,
see, I think you know what the problem arises. The problem arises in the way we are expressing.
Probably.
Yeah,
I agree.
Is a way to express. Okay, so if, for example, I'll be very brutally here.
Yeah, sure.
If your way to express lust is staring at a girl,
that's the translation that we were talking about.
Of expressing lust is maybe going home and jerking off.
Yeah.
Okay, which is very normal. Maybe having sexual intercourse or sex with consent.
Yes.
Then that person is not called therapy.
And
but the same thing is the same.
True.
It is how you express. That is where the difference comes in.
Bro, that very well put. And you talked about lust. Second, which is attachment. Now, what is attachment?
Second is attraction.
Okay. Bro, कोई chronological order नहीं है. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
नहीं. जाना दे, क्योंकि यार दे, in a way, जब तुम किसी को लाइक करते हो, तू किसी को लाइक करता है, मैं बोलूँ करता है तू. पीपी. तो उसके बाद क्या होता है ना, ऐसे स्टेज कि तुम फिजिकली थोड़ा अट्रैक्ट होते हो, जितना भी तुम डिसएग्री करो. सेकंडली तुम लाइक करना चालू करते हो, और थर्ड अगर वो स्टेज में होता है, तुम अटैच हो जाते हो. इफ यू स्टार्ट, तो क्या होता है कि जब हम लस्ट में होते हैं, तब हमारे टेस्टोस्टेरोन और एस्ट्रोजन, डिपेंडिंग ऑन जेंडर, these are working.
Right.
जब हम तो we are just feeling a lot of sexual, and I won't call it happiness also.
Not happiness. Urge.
urge. Now liking that person, when we are liking that person, that is getting started to like that person. As I
Hmm.
said,
Hmm.
that is when a low battery hai mera. That is when your dopamine starts working on. You start
Right.
feeling happy. You go
Right.
on a date with
But bro,
somebody,
I think bro, I want to clarify real quick. This is a very important point. वरना बहुत ही different direction में पहुंच सकते हैं हम लोग. Actually, dopamine is not the happiness hormone. It is not.
not the, we will get into that. We will get that.
And bro, before
It
we
is
continue,
the
it is the motivating hormone basically,
it is
which
a motivating hormone, and this is the reason why dopamine is not a happiness hormone. We can conclude it because in a way, see, love also hurts.
right.
If dopamine was
And
a happiness
there's
hormone, love
there's
would
an
not hurt.
uncertainty. There's an uncertainty.
See, it
The
is see
moment,
dopamine. See, dopamine is like the thing you express when you're
right?
attached or what to something. Okay, मैं इसमें आप
हाँ
dopamine
हाँ,
वाला topic
sure
चलते
sure
हैं.
sure sure sure.
Example, drug है. When you take drugs, क्यों लेते हो?
Hmm.
Dopamine.
Right, right,
और इसीलिए because it starts controlling your emotional feeling system. When you
hmm.
withdraw from it, also it is the same reaction.
Right,
So dopamine gives you happiness.
hmm.
Withdrawal of that, when you're not being able to get the dopamine,
Hmm.
that is what gives you the sadness.
Hmm.
Why when you don't get somebody who you like, which you talked about in a previous podcast with Ahan
With
Mishra or
Ahan,
whatever.
bro,
Ahan.
bro, this is you talked about Ahan again.
अरे
Ga-
आहान के साथ तो पॉडकास्ट करने वाला था, वो आया नहीं.
हाँ, आया नहीं बेचारा.
आहान अभी थोड़ा बिजी है पर्सनल लाइफ में.
हाँ.
हाँ. तो हाँ, coming to the point. So that is what happens. So dopamine में क्या होता है ना? So when you're not getting that love, as I said in my previous video also, I could not get that love.
Hmm.
So dopamine जो था मेरा,
So
वो
there
जब
was
मैं
dopamine
withdraw होने लगा,
withdrawal, yeah.
you felt bad.
Hmm.
हाँ.
Right. Exactly.
हाँ. So अभी coming to that. So जब
Hmm.
मुझे जैसे like कर रहा हूँ मैं, तो मेरा dopamine exert होता है. Dopamine is basically यार मैं dopamine is happiness की मैंने those late night calls and
हाँ,
that coffee date and all that.
हाँ,
ये
हाँ,
सब dopamine है. ठीक है. अभी attachment नहीं हुआ है.
हाँ,
अभी
हाँ.
you just like spending time or you
Right.
like talking
There's
to
the
that person.
probably the best way to put it is you found a reason to you probably have fun, like you have something to have fun around, right? कि हाँ चलो
हाँ.
कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग होगा, कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग
You
होगा.
find a reason to
Hmm.
हाँ, correct. उसके बाद आता है अटैचमेंट. अब डीप लेवल पे ये मोस्टली बहुत ही कम,
Sorry.
बट ये है डीपर लेवल पे. ठीक है. अटैचमेंट पे द हार्मोन डोमिनेटिंग इज ऑक्सीटोसिन. डू यू वांट टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट ऑक्सीटोसिन इज? मैं ही बोल रहा हूं.
See,
What is
oxytocin is very important for humans, हमारे एवोल्यूशन के लिए. आयुष, आई थिंक तुझे पता होगा कि इनिशियली जब से ह्यूमंस हैं, हम ट्राइब्स में घूमते थे. there's a
Sorry.
sense of belonging which arises through oxytocin. Oxytocin का एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग नेम है, the cuddling hormone, which basically oxytocin arises when you through touch, जैसे, and it's not necessarily तेरे sexual partner के थ्रू ही oxytocin आए. Oxytocin friends के थ्रू भी आ सकते हैं, right? Friends, family, anything. So the moment
क्या मेरे लिए तेरा में ऑक्सीटोसिन.
बिल्कुल मेरे भाई. Exactly, bro. The moment you give a high five or you clap your hands with your friend, cool handshake, oxytocin आता है वहां से. Or probably when there's a farewell hug, उस टाइम oxytocin rise होता है. Oxytocin is very important क्योंकि वो हमें, how humans are different from all other animals, because we move in tribes.
Correct.
Exactly. And that is because of oxytocin. So uski wajah se we tend to attach with people. Because of oxytocin hame lagta hai ki there's a person who is behind me or who is beside me. समझ गया? There's a support system. So you'll usually see when people are coming back after a long time, they usually hug their parents. and that's what. So that's probably oxytocin, the best way. That's probably the best
So
way I can define oxytocin.
oxytocin, as Sanket described, becomes that much
Yeah,
deeper level of love, of
probably the last
attachment.
level of love.
It becomes like, in a way that it's like, I can't do without this person. You
Mm-hmm.
see, love at the end of the day becomes a habit.
Right, because of dopamine, because of
हम
absolutely
इतने
because of
हम
dopamine.
इतने वो लग रहे हैं ना बात करते हुए,
क्या?
इतने लव गुरुज लग रहे हैं.
हाँ हाँ
लव बिकम्स अ हैबिट. हम दोनों 80 टू 87 लव तो पता ही नहीं है,
हाँ
हम बोले जा रहे हैं. हमें लव का थ्योरी पता है बड़ा, हम जब होंगे, मैं तो सेकंड टाइम होऊंगा,
हाँ.
तेरा तो पता है. तब नेक्स्ट डे मेरा दिक्कत है,
क्या?
बार मैं लव में आया था ना, मुझे ये का चालू करना चाहिए था, ठीक है. तब मुझे थ्योरी पता होती, तब मैं एक्ट कर पाता था. तब मैं बच्चा था, मुझे पता ही नहीं था कुछ, मैं फंस गया.
अब तू 2.5 महीने से एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहा है.
हाँ, एक्सपेरिमेंट अभी चालू नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा.
एक एक्सपेरिमेंट मेरा एक तो अलग साइड से एक्सपेरिमेंट फेल हो गया, जानता है मैं किसकी बात कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, गॉट इट. हाँ.
और बस एक उसका एक ही हिंट है, एक्स्ट्रा कवर ड्राइव बुकिंग्स, बस यही हिंट है बस उसका. ठीक है. तो
anyways.
One. So these are the things of love. Maybe as Sanket, if you see neurotransmitters are working, but Sanket, you explained to elaborate कर, तूने you talked about dopamine not always being the happiness one. So can you explain a bit more on that?
Acha, before explaining that, I'd like to give you a study which happened. ठीक है. So basically, whenever there's whenever scientists want to find anything about human psychology, वो usually rats पे experiment करते हैं, क्योंकि there's a reason कि उनका जो brain का structure है, जो system है, it is similar. और वो of course because of legal reasons वो humans पे experiment कैसे कर सकते हैं सब कुछ. So तो basically there was an experiment. मैं इसको briefly बताऊंगा कि उन्हें केज करके रखा गया था, और उन्हें मतलब कोई कुछ भी नहीं था उसमें, कुछ भी नहीं था. रैट्स को. एंड तो वो बोर हो गए. ठीक है. एंड देन उनको कोकेन दिया गया. ठीक है. अगेन एज यू सेड,
सुना हुआ है,
बहुत कॉमन स्टडी है. एंड उसकी वजह से एज यू सेड कि कोकेन ड्रग से वो होता है, क्या नाम है, डोपामीन लेवल राइज होता है ना. सो उनको एक मोटिवेशन मिल गया टू स्टे इन दैट केज, एंड लोग सारे रैट्स वहीं पे पड़े हुए रहते थे. अब इससे क्या कंक्लूड हुआ कि डोपामीन इज द हैप्पीनेस हार्मोन. बट इसके बाद क्या हुआ, लोगों, ये जब थोड़े दिन बाद एक स्टडी हुई. अब उसमें कोकेन ही था, उसमें उन्होंने रैट्स के लिए अम्यूजमेंट पार्क टाइप का बना दिया उस एनक्लोज्ड एरिया में. ठीक है. अब वो उसमें मजे कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. देयर इज अ मोटिवेशन. ठीक है. एंड उसमें मजे कर रहे हैं. तूने देखा है एक हैमस्टर को, वो जो हैमस्टर व्हील जिसमें वो भागते रहते हैं. there's a motivation to survive, there's a motivation to live. So and उन्होंने फिर डोपामीन लेवल्स चेक किए, डोपामीन लेवल्स बढ़े हुए थे. So that concluded कि हाँ, dopamine is not necessarily happiness, but it is the motivating factor. ठीक है. Example, social media. You see कितने प्यारे वे में डिजाइन किया गया है इंस्टाग्राम को. व्हेन यू रिफ्रेश द पेज, वो 1-2 सेकंड तक घूमते रहेगा एंड देन यू सी अ डिफरेंट थिंग. ठीक है. वो एंटिसिपेशन बढ़ाता है. there's an uncertainty कि क्या होगा. So that is what dopamine is. It is not necessarily the happiness hormone. That's what.
It can also, as I said, it can also lead to sadness.
Right. Withdrawal, because dopamine, the moment dopamine rises, it is so good, right? But when it falls, then you need it. You need that balance.
Correct.
So that is why people get insecure and all. People.
Yeah.
And
see,
bro,
it is. You talk about drugs. You talk about love. In a way, it's similar.
And bro, when there's a withdrawal of dopamine, people tend to replace that gap through other hormones. And now we'll talk about endorphin. ठीक है?
Yeah, correct.
Endorphin क्या होता है? When you work out, it is a reward for working out, for putting hard work, for putting physical hard
Yeah.
work. Ayush,
Yes.
tell me how you coped. What was your coping mechanism when you had a dopamine withdrawal of heartbreak? What did you
Mine?
do? You worked out. You worked out. You told me that you worked out like crazy,
Yeah, yeah.
right? And that is where endorphin comes in.
Mm.
You guys, if you go for a run or something, do tell me, after run, do you guys feel happy? You feel
मैं तो थक जाता हूँ यार.
थक जाता है, बट लेकिन जब खत्म होता है, ठीक है, लाइक यू
हाँ,
डू तबाता वर्कआउट.
sentiment.
आयुष, यू डू तबाता वर्कआउट जब खत्म हो जाता है,
हाँ,
do you
अभी
feel
करूँगा.
do you feel a sense of motivation?
हाँ.
There's a rush
Absolutely.
after
Yeah.
a heavy set of curls or deadlifts. There's a rush. That is what endorphin is. ठीक है? So for that, you know, when जो dopamine
I
का
think
gap होता है,
these are basically chemicals to reduce stress and anxiety. Endorphins.
endorphin, right.
It is you can take chemicals for that. You can take drugs for that. But
you can work out for that.
You also and you can work out for that.
Right.
So
Absolutely.
that's why workout is not just physical. Look at the mental side of it.
Oh yeah, exactly. And bro, have you heard people saying ki I work out not for health, not for aesthetics, but for my mental health? Have you heard that?
Yeah.
I have heard many people say that. So that is very interesting.
नहीं,
अब
मैं तो aesthetics के लिए करता हूँ.
हाँ, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं जनरली नहीं कह रहा, मैं केसेस के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. फिर उसके बाद आता है सेरोटोनिन. ठीक है? सेरोटोनिन क्या है? बेसिकली जो रिस्क टेकिंग एबिलिटी है आदमी की, वो सेरोटोनिन से होता है. सो बेसिकली इफ यू
ये
आर
थोड़ा
लो,
ज्यादा ही आ गया वीडियो में.
हाँ ये कूट के भरा है भट्टे के अंदर सेरोटोनिन. बंदा इतना रिस्क
अरे
लेता
मैं
है,
बहुत सेफ.
इतना
नहीं,
रिस्क लेता है, पर बैट को पैंट के अंदर डाल के किंग क्रॉस स्टेशन के अंदर घूम रहा होता है. ठीक है? तो सेरोटोनिन क्या है? सो बेसिकली फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इफ देयर इज लो सेरोटोनिन, तो यू विल फील very low, very dull. Basically, you'll feel depressed, you'll feel blue कि हाँ यार अब कुछ करने के लिए नहीं है. There's I don't want to take any risk.
Basically, it is the
Monotonous life
stabilizing
is
hormone.
yeah, exactly.
Stabilizing hormone.
Perfectly put.
It is the stabilizes your mind, body, everything, and it keeps you in check. Okay, gives you that. In a way, if you see, all these hormones are in a way very very thin line between them.
True.
Okay, dopamine, again, serotonin keeps you so very very similar.
Right.
Subtle differences.
Right, absolutely.
Serotonin is basically that.
And bro, for that you said that it is the stabilizing hormone, and if there's high serotonin, so you'll feel jittery, you'll feel there's going to be palpitations in your heart, right? So you'll shiver and all. So that is what serotonin is. And I think serotonin is why do you think serotonin is important for humans?
10%. Without serotonin, it can lead to depression.
No, but like, you know why serotonin need, like, you know why is like serotonin not at a constant rate always? Why is it not at a constant rate?
That is due to, see, again, this is linked to serotonin is basically what? Your mind, body, well-being. Okay. And this is something, okay, now as we're coming to the end of the podcast, is something to ponder upon. It gives you that. But how do you get that mind, body, well-being? Basically, see, if you take the basic crux of well-being, how the basic crux, when do we feel good? We feel good when we achieve something which you wanted.
Okay.
As my teacher, my professor here in self and identity. Okay, it's a module for us. He has.
Okay, now I saw that. Yeah. That was good. Yeah, I saw that. नहीं, अब नहीं हो रहा. हुआ क्या? This is weird, bro. Continue करता है. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Good, 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 good.
डोपामिन आ रहा है अभी.
देख, there's an uncertainty. आयुष के अंदर एक बचपना आ गया अचानक से because of the
नहीं वो चल
dopamine जो रिलीज हुआ.
So serotonin क्या होता है? So basically it's about self and perceived identity. So if you know discrepancy theory, the self-discrepancy revise भी कर रहा हूँ. The self-discrepancy theory is it consists of three things. It is your odd self, your ideal self, and your actual self.
Okay.
Ideal self is something you want to reach.
Okay.
Odd self is something which you want to do to reach. Very subtle difference. Odd self is something which you feel you should do. So अगर मैं difference बोलूँ हूँ, मेरा ideal self है in a long term thing कि मैं 2-3 दिन में मैं टॉप करूंगा क्लास में.
हाँ.
ठीक है. Odd self है मुझे आज इतने घंटे पढ़ने हैं.
The process.
करना चाहिए. ठीक है. When you do not reach your ideal self, you feel depression. But when you do not reach your odd self, you feel agitation. ठीक है. It's a subtle difference. And so, in a way, these hormones are dependent on that.
Interesting.
Dependent on if you are reaching that ideal self of happiness or not, and how you perceive yourself to be. एक interesting point है in study है जो कि बहुत ही common है, but इधर apply करता है. और उसके बाद तुझे मैं question throw करूंगा to end the podcast. Study ये है कि if you look at the Olympics, I don't remember who conducted the study, but it is if Olympics, it has been proven that the person who comes first gold is happiness index mein, if you talk about the satisfaction, the order is gold medal, bronze medal, then a silver medal. Silver medal person is the least happy because you feel I could have just been on the
right.
And the bronze feels यार मैं तो भूल गया. तो ये क्यों हो रहा है? ये हो रहा है, it is based on how you look at it.
Right.
If you look
best example, you see Ravi Dahiya's face, who got a silver medal in wrestling. He was pretty sad after receiving that medal.
So it is based on how you look at it. If you look up always, okay, it's an interesting debate. If you are always looking if you are always looking up, okay, you will feel anxiety, depression. But if you look down and see, यार मैं इतने लोगों से अच्छा हूँ, you will these serotonin and all that, these levels going. But the other end of that is if you're always looking down, you can never. So the question I throw to you is to end. One, how much can these hormones, serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, okay, how much do these hormones control us? Is there something under our control? And also, at times, is it okay to not always have that serotonin rush, to not always have the dopamine rush, so that we get a long-term benefit out of it? So, what is your that thing on that? So, instant gratification, non-gratification.
There are two questions first of all, right? So, for the first question is how competent these hormones are, right? Can they completely dictate us, or do we have our own power? I personally feel, as far as I have read, probably we have 30% to 40% power max to max, and the rest, it is, see, of course the initial choice वो conditioning से आता है, वो तेरा first of all choice है, ठीक है? For example, when you talked about attraction, ठीक है आयुष, that who are you going to get attracted to, वो तेरे conditioning से आता है, right?
सही बात है.
And to be honest, वो भी तेरा own नहीं है, वो भी conditioning से आ रहा है, right? तेरे past experience के through एक form हो रहा है, ठीक है? And उसके basis पे तू decision बना रहा है. But anyways, वो at this moment तेरा खुद का decision है. Apart from that, how you do, how you act, everything is possibly because of those hormones and because of those hormones, right? But how you act is again कि तू कैसे act करेगा, that is possibly because of the conditioning. कि जैसे for example कि as you said कि हाँ dopamine आ रहा है, ठीक है, sorry, testosterone और estrogen pump up हो रहा है, right? ठीक है, now I will feel sexual attraction towards that person. How I am going to address that, वो conditioning में आ जाता है. So I think there's
nature versus nurture. Nature versus
exactly
nurture.
there's no, see, there's we completely empathize if you feel sexually attracted to a person, but we
like, see, you can't like, sorry, but you can't rape somebody.
exactly. So exactly, but on the contrary, we cannot agree on the fact कि हाँ तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो, because again वो क्या कैसे एड्रेस करना है, that is your decision. So to sum up to conclude my point on this question is कि I think you have a choice, because वो हाँ कंडीशनिंग तुम्हारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है, तुम्हारे सर्कमस्टांसेस क्या है, वो बात की बात है. एट दिस पॉइंट तुम्हारा डिसीजन हाउ टू एड्रेस those hormones or what is happening because of those hormones. ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, हाँ
अभी तक एक ही बोला तूने, जल्दी बोल, मैच दे.
सो सेकंड क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर अपना.
अरे मेरा ये सेकंड क्वेश्चन था.
नहीं, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था तेरा कि कितना कॉम्पिटेंट है ये सारे हार्मोन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या था? हाँ, कि हमें
बोल ही दिया.
ये चाहिए क्यों, ये सारे हार्मोन्स चाहिए क्यों हमें, ठीक है, मतलब इसके बिना भी क्या तूने आई थिंक इसका
कि इसके ऑलवेज की डोपामिन रश, सेरोटोनिन रश, इज इट दैट इंपॉर्टेंट? इट इज 100% इंपॉर्टेंट. आई थिंक इन अ वे मैं खुद को कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करता हूँ, मैं खुद ही आंसर दे देता हूँ.
अच्छा, हाँ,
तो मुझे भी समझ आया. आई थिंक इट इज ऑल अबाउट लॉन्ग टर्म एंड शॉर्ट टर्म ग्रेटिफिकेशन. Dopamine is something we always want. Okay. Some people want that long-term dopamine effect. Some people want a short-term dopamine effect. I think ये गलत क्वेश्चन है. कि एग्जांपल ले कि कुछ मैं आज पार्टी मेरे सारे, जैसे कल एग्जांपल देता हूँ, मेरे सारे दोस्त पार्टी करने जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, मैं नहीं गया क्योंकि मुझे कल I had to study.
ठीक है,
मैं बहुत गया हूँ उसके पहले, मन नहीं कर रहा. तो इसका मतलब मेरा एक पार्ट मुझे बुरा लगा उस दिन, पर एक मुझे अच्छा भी लगा. ठीक है. So I think we are always chasing dopamine.
I think any rush is bad. But these chemicals are very important, वरना हम robots बन जाएंगे and nothing else.
ठीक है. So with that, let's conclude, and something's fun coming up next week.
Yes,
I don't know which week, whatever, something.
Yeah. Depends on the editing speed. Yeah.
ठीक है. चलो, मैं लास्ट एक बार हैंड रेस करूंगा.
कर ले भाई, तू कर ले, थोड़ा डोपामिन तू भी ले जा. आ गया.
ये नहीं दिखाऊंगा. All right, bye.